Hamjambo, vipi hali zenu? Jina langu ni Abdul Karim. Karibuni katika darasa la Kiswahili. Katika darasa hili tutajifunza mazungumzo ya simu, yani kwenye simu. Halo, hujambo? Tutajifunza kuita teksi na kuagiza pizza, sawa? Kuita teksi na kuagiza pizza. Sasa nitaonyesha ukurasa wangu hapa. Wewe utaweza kuona. Subiri kidogo. Sawa. Yeah. If you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing on this channel and sharing this video, or also writing there the comments so that you can get notified when I make new lesson and improve your Swahili. Sawa? So let's get started. Mazungumzo, this is just conversation. Kwenye simu. Yeah, simu, sawa? Hii ni simu. Yeah. Hii ni simu. Sawa, sawa. Hii ni simu. Kwenye simu. We will learn two conversations. One, as I said earlier, calling a taxi. Two, ordering pizza. So, but before we learn these conversations, we need to learn the words that we might encounter on those conversations, or the words that you can use in your daily conversation while talking on the phone. Kiswahili. Moja, jifunze maneno mapya. Learn new words. The first one here ni kupiga simu. Sema kupiga simu. Kupiga simu. This is to make a call. To make a call. Kupiga simu. Yeah, this is like a phrasal verb. It doesn't mean to beat the phone, you know. Yeah. Piga simu, no. Piga simu, yeah. Make a call. You know, when I say this, some people maybe they translate this the way it's written. Like in the previous lesson, I have written, we have these feelings. We say hisia. In Swahili, you can say ninahisi uchungu, which means I feel pain. You can also say ninaona uchungu, which means I see pain, but it doesn't mean I see pain. It means I feel pain. You can also say ninasikia uchungu, which means I hear pain, but that is not the meaning that is implied. When you say ninasikia uchungu, it means I feel pain. So you can either use ninasikia, ninaona, or ninahisi. So when I wrote ninasikia uchungu, some people started saying, oh, how can you hear pain? Is it laudable or something? No, it's not like that. But in most African language, we don't say like I feel. Normally we say I hear those feelings. I hear pain. Ninahisi uchungu. Ninasikia uchungu. But it doesn't mean that you are hearing like through your ears. So, hapana. Okay, this is a phrasal verb, kupiga simu, to make a call. Dharura, dharura. So I just write here, to make a call. So, oh my God. Okay, so to make a call. Dharura is emergency. Dharura. So if someone tells you ni jambo la dharura, it's an emergency case. Ni jambo la dharura, emergency. Sawa, dharura. Pia, also, also, bwana. I have said this, bwana is Mr. or sir. Just to make clarification, some people think bwana is husband. No, bwana is not husband. Bwana is either Mr. or sir. You know, people confuse this word from bwana harusi. Bwana harusi, the word is bwana harusi. Bwana harusi. What's this? Harusi. Bwana harusi. This is the bridegroom. Bwana harusi. So bwana is Mr. Or sir, but this bwana harusi is bridegroom. But people think when you say bwana, it's husband. Hapana. The word for husband is mume, mume. This is husband, mume. Sawa, mume, husband. But when you are in, mostly people here in the mainland, not the coastal region, in the mainland areas of, I think, Kenya and Uganda, they can mistake this word, bwana harusi, not bwana, but bwana. They can say it's husband. Hapana. Again, please. Hapana. Hapana. La. Inapatikana. Inapatikana, it's available. Inapatikana. Oh, what's happening with me? What's wrong with me today? It is available. It's available. This is inapatikana. If this maybe you're talking about the network, you say interneti inapatikana. If it's a person, anapatikana. Anapatikana, he is available. Anapatikana. Karibu, ninaweza kukusaidia vipi? You can make a call, maybe the person receive and say, karibu, ninaweza kukusaidia vipi? Welcome, how can I help you? Ninaweza kukusaidia vipi? Sawa, vipi? So this is, yeah. Bila shaka, of course. Bila shaka, of course. This one, not necessarily a telephone language, but you can use this, of course, in any conversation. Bila shaka. Kituo cha basi, kituo cha taxi. Maybe you can ask when you're talking about this thing, you want to book, you want to call a taxi. You can use this. Kituo cha taxi is a taxi station. Kituo cha basi is a bus station. Sawa, a bus station. This is bus station. Oh, okay, let me just do this. Bus or taxi. Taxi station, okay? Kituo cha basi, kituo cha taxi. Okay. This is Bwana. We've already talked about it. This is Bwana. Now here is Bibi. Bibi or Bibie or just say B. B. When I was talking about when I was talking about Bwana, I said people confuse this Bwana. Now also Bibi, some people say, huyu ni bibi yangu. To me, this is my wife. Hapana, please don't make such mistake. It's a common mistake. So if you're learning Swahili, learn this mistake. Bibi is one is just a respectful term you can use to address a lady. You say bibi or bibie or just say B. B. So it's like Mrs. Mrs. or Madam. Madam, you know, if the lady is young, just young lady, you can say bi mdogo, bi mdogo. If it's older lady, you can say bi mkubwa, bi mkubwa. If the lady is older than you, you say bi mkubwa, bi mkubwa. But if it's younger than you can say bi mdogo, bi mdogo. But generally, bibi, bibie, bi. Sawa? So don't say this is wife, hapana. Another word, Another word here, bibi also is used to imply grandmother. Another name for grandmother is nyanya. A nyanya also means tomato. Nyanya. Sawa. Iko tayari. Iko tayari. Now here maybe you're ordering something. Now let's say you're ordering pizza and they tell you, oh, iko tayari. Iko tayari. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Iko tayari. But if you ask someone, tayari, tayari, ready, uh, you can also say tayari. Is it ready? Or are you ready? Tayari. You know, you just shorten. Sometimes we are fond of shortening words. So tayari can either mean is it ready or are you ready or is it ready? But the full word for are you ready? Uko tayari. Uko tayari. Is it ready? Iko tayari. Iko tayari. Now I just wrote it ready. I don't know what's happening with me today. Is it ready? Is it ready? Okay. Kunywa. This to drink. Kunywa. To drink. Kujulisha. Kujulisha to inform. Yeah, maybe you call and someone is not there, so you can say inform me when he comes. Nijulishe. Nijulishe. Inform me. Nitakujulisha. Mimi nitakujulisha. I will inform you. Nitakujulisha. I can just write here. Nitakujulisha. I will inform you. Nitakujulisha. Sawa? Mahindi, this is maize. Mahindi. Yeah, maize. Corns. Sawa, mahindi. So I just wrote mahindi because we will encounter this word in our conversation here, mahindi. Mteja is a customer. Customer, mteja. But you know what? In Kenya, when you call in a phone, yeah, you call. If someone is unavailable, you'll hear the voice of a lady saying, mteja wa nambari hapatikani kwa sasa. Mteja, the voice is saying, mteja wa nambari uliopiga hapatikani kwa sasa. Mteja wa nambari uliopiga hapatikani kwa sasa. I don't know if yeah, I could have tried to call someone and you hear that voice, but let me just make that voice. You can hear how they say, but I'll not call anyone. I just search for that voice. Mteja wa nambari. Okay, I just see, I try to see if it's there or it's not there.
That says the person you are calling cannot
Oh,
voice message, then please do so after the tone. And that voice in your ear is now a fake. My name is Jennifer.
wait, I try again. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. Thank you for your patience. Really. Let's see. Okay. I'm trying just
Samahani, mteja wa nambari uliopiga.
yeah.
Samahani, mteja wa nambari uliopiga hapatikani kwa sasa.
It's a voice that yes, samahani. So the word here is samahani. Samahani, we just omitted the word samahani. Yeah. So if someone is unavailable and you're calling, you'll hear that voice saying, samahani, mteja wa nambari uliopiga hapatikani kwa sasa. This can imply sorry, the customer or the number that you're trying to reach is currently unavailable. So hapatikani kwa sasa. So this is mteja. So when someone tells you wewe ni mteja, yeah, wewe ni mteja, now it means you're not found. You are maybe you have not been seen for a long time. For example, after maybe many months, many weeks, I haven't seen you. When I see you, I'll tell you, wewe ni mteja siku hizi. Wewe ni mteja siku hizi. It means you are unavailable nowadays. But but this word can be confusing with the word teja. Teja is teja. So don't confuse mteja and teja. Teja is someone. Normally, this word teja is used in Mombasa. This is like a group of young people who are grabbing people's thing in the street. You know, we call them teja. When they snatch your handbag, they snatch your phone. We call them teja. You know, just they are common in every street, every big city. Maybe there's such people. In Mombasa, we call them teja. If it's one teja, mateja if there are many. Okay. So don't confuse with this one. So let me just erase. Okay, kuagiza. Now you want to order pizza. Ninataka kuagiza pizza. Sawa? To order. Mtaani. Mtaani is in the street. Just mtaani. Mtaani in the street. When I say mtaani, maybe you can remember lugha ya mtaani. Lugha ya mtaani is a street language. Lugha ya mtaani. So mtaani in the street. In the street, mtaani. Kuenda kula, maybe this to go, maybe to eat, yani, just to go to eat, to go to eat. But how do you use this? You can say ameenda kula chamcha. Ameenda kula chamcha. He has gone to eat lunch, you know? He has gone to eat lunch. Ameenda kula chajio. He has gone to eat dinner. Ameenda kula chajio. If it's me, you say nimeenda. Nimeenda. Mimi nimeenda. I have gone. Maybe someone calls you and uko wapi? You say nimeenda kula chajio. Nimeenda kula chamcha. Umeenda wapi? Nimeenda kula chamcha. Nimeenda kula chajio. Sawa? O nimeenda kunywa maji. I've gone to drink water. Sawa. Badala ya. Just instead of. Badala ya. Instead of. Badala ya. Okay. When I wrote this badalaya, it reminds me one of my students was having trouble with these words badalaya, badaya, and badai. Just badalaya instead of, but badaya. This means after, and we have badai. This means later. Badai. Tutazungumza baadaye. We'll talk later. Tutazungumza baadaye. Baadaye. Tutazungumza baada ya kula. Tutazungumza baada ya kula. We'll talk after eating. Sawa? Tutazungumza baada ya kula. Okay, now we have the conversation here. Kuita taxi. Now, these words we've just learned, it's not that you will find them in every conversation, but just for this conversation. Other words that you might encounter in maybe most conversation, we'll talk about them after this. Okay, let's see. Kuita taxi. Yeah, this is taxi. Taxi. Kuita taxi. Taxi. Vizuri. Sasa wewe unapiga simu hapo. Unasema sasa this person just received the call. Maybe you're calling and the person received the call. Dereva. Anasema taxi za Uber karibu. Yeah, taxi za Uber karibu. Wewe ni Zawadi. Again, I find myself using the word Zawadi, using the name Zawadi. My students will complain. Okay, please don't complain. I just used to this word. Name. Je, una teksi kwenye mtaa wa madukani? Tunaanza tena. Let's start again. Teksi za Uber karibu. Je, una teksi kwenye mtaa wa madukani? Dereva. Ipo. Bwana, anwani yako ni ipi? Zawadi. Mtaa wa madukani, nyumba nambari nambari 45. Dereva, gari litakuwa mlangoni kwako baada ya dakika 5. Zawadi, asante, siku njema. Tutaangalia tena. Let's start again here. Dereva, teksi za Uber karibu. Uber taxis, welcome. Zawadi, je, una teksi kwenye mtaa wa madukani? Do you have a taxi in the Madukani street? Dereva, ipo bwana. It's there sir. Anwani yako ni ipi? Anwani yako ni ipi? What's your address? Anwani, address. Zawadi, mtaa wa madukani, nyumba nambari 15. Mtaa wa madukani, Madukani street, house number 45. Dereva, gari litakuwa mlangoni kwako baada ya dakika 5. Gari litakuwa mlangoni kwako. The door will be at your door. The car will be at your door. Baada ya dakika 5. After 5 minutes. Dakika 5. Asante, siku njema. Thank you. Nice day. Okay. I'll ask a question here. Just answer the question in the comment section. Sawa? The question is here. Moja. So this is zoezi. Just one question. Gari litakuwa mlangoni baada ya dakika ngapi? Gari litakuwa mlangoni baada ya dakika ngapi? Yeah, answer in the question. Write your answer in the comment section. Sawa? Tunaendelea kuagiza pizza. Sasa people are very hungry now, they want to order some pizza. Okay, tunaanza hapa. Kuagiza is to order. Muuza pizza na kuna mteja. Mteja is a customer. Muuza pizza is someone who sell pizza now here. I will read muuza pizza and this mteja. Karibu kwenye duka la pizza. So this happened after you have called. They receive the call, they say, karibu kwenye duka la pizza. Welcome to the coffee. Welcome to the pizza store or the pizza shop. Mteja, hujambo, ningependa kuagiza pizza kubwa. Hello, I would like to order a big pizza. Bila shaka bwana, unataka pizza ya aina gani? Sure, of course, sir. Which type of pizza do you want? ninataka pizza ya mboga, ila ninataka yenye zaituni badala ya mahindi. Yeah, ninataka pizza ya mboga, ila ninataka yenye zaituni badala ya mahindi. I want a vegetable pizza, but I want with corn instead of this zaituni is it olive or fig? Yes, between those two, or either olive or fig. I think it's fig, some kind of fruits. Okay, muuza pizza. Bila shaka bwana, bila shaka bwana. Of course, sir. Je, ungependa kununua kinywaji chochote? Would you like to buy any drink? Mteja, ndiyo, ninataka chupa moja ya Coca-Cola. Yeah. Yes, I want one bottle of Coca-Cola. This is soda. Muuza pizza. Sawa bwana, pizza yako itakuwa tayari baada ya dakika 30. Pizza yako itakuwa tayari baada ya dakika 30. Mteja, anwani yako ni ipi? Sawa bwana, pizza yako itakuwa tayari baada ya dakika 30. Okay, sir. Your pizza will be ready after 30 minutes. Anwani yako ni ipi? What's your address? Mteja, mtaa wa Makongeni, ghorofa ya Twiga, nyumba nambari 10. Mtaa wa Makongeni, this is Makongeni Street, ghorofa ya Twiga, this Twiga Apartments. Nyumba nambari 10, house number 10. Okay, nyumba nambari 10. Now, I'll just read again without translating. Okay. Muuza pizza. We start with kuagiza pizza. Kuagiza pizza. Muuza pizza. Karibu kwenye duka la pizza. Hujambo, ningependa kuagiza pizza kubwa. Muuza pizza. Bila shaka bwana, unataka pizza ya aina gani? Mteja, ninataka pizza ya mboga, ila ninataka yenye zaituni badala ya mahindi. Muuza pizza. Bila shaka bwana. Je, ungependa kununua kinywaji chochote? Mteja, ndiyo, ninataka chupa moja ya Coca-Cola. Muuza pizza. Sawa bwana, pizza yako itakuwa tayari baada ya dakika 30. Anwani yako ni ipi? Mteja, mtaa wa Makongeni, ghorofa ya Twiga, nyumba nambari 10. Nyumba nambari 10. Another question here. I'll ask one question also from this conversation. So if you understood, just write the answer to this question in the comment section below. The question is here. Sawa. Mteja alitaka pizza ya aina gani? Zoezi 2. Mteja alitaka pizza ya aina gani? Mteja alitaka pizza ya aina gani? So which kind of pizza did the customer wanted? Which kind did he want? Sawa? Write your answer in the comment section below. So we have the third conversation here, but that's not for today. That's for another day. What we'll do, I will teach you some other vocabularies that are used when during call, making a call. Sawa? Misamiati, we say misamiati. Misamiati, misamiati. These are basically vocabularies. Misamiati. Let's make these unbold. Okay. Sawa. So we start here. Some of the vocabulary we learned up there, so I don't want to repeat them. Let's have simu inaita. Simu inaita, when you make a call and it's say teet, teet, teet. So we say simu inaita, the phone is calling, or it's ringing. Simu inaita, the phone. Normally, so we use this to mean the phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. Yeah, we might also have other words to imply to this, but the most common people say simu inaita. Simu inaita. But in the street, some people can say simu inalia, simu inalia, but we just say simu inaita. Also, I said ni mteja. Ni mteja. Normally, this is used to imply he's unavailable, He or she is unavailable. Available. From the word, no, the real meaning for mteja is not that is unavailable, but according to how it's used, when I say ni mteja, in the context of telephone conversation, you say ni mteja, you're actually implying that the person is unavailable. Ni mteja. Another word we can say mtandao ni dhaifu. Mtandao ni dhaifu. The network is weak. Mtandao ni dhaifu. The network is weak. Sawa? Mtandao ni dhaifu, in some parts of our countries, then we don't have that vast, or we don't have extensive network coverage in some areas. So in some villages, you can go and the internet, the network is very, very weak, or there might be no network in those areas. But just currently, technology is improving, and we are in the villages also. The network is having good coverage, but not that very strong. But we can say asante, or we can say we are grateful. Tunashukuru. Mtandao this is internet, okay. Mtandao ni dhaifu, o hakuna mtandao. Hakuna mtandao. This means there is no internet, no network. There is no network. Hakuna mtandao. When you want to say hakuna, you can also say hakuna interneti. Hakuna interneti. There is no internet. That's for internet. Hakuna interneti. Sawa? Nitakupigia baadaye. Nitakupigia baadaye. I will call you later. Nitakupigia baadaye. Yeah. Maybe you call someone, you call your friend, the friend is busy. So he just say, nitakupigia baadaye. Nitakupigia baadaye. Yeah. Nitakupigia baadaye. Sawa? Nitakupigia baadaye. Another word, another phrase we can use to imply this one is, you can say, simu yangu inazima. Simu yangu inazima. Inazima. Inazima, it means my phone is switching off, is turning off, and switching off because maybe the power is very low. Simu yangu, so you just, when you are calling someone and you're calling someone and you see the percentage is maybe 5%. So more conversation, your phone will switch off itself. So you just tell the person, simu yangu inazima. Yeah, my phone is switching, is switching off. Yeah, my phone is switching off. You know, then my phone is just going to die. Sawa, simu yangu inazima. I don't know what happened here. Okay, it's here. Yes. Another one, you can say, simu yangu ilikuwa kwenye chaja. Simu yangu ilikuwa kwenye charger. This means my phone was on the charge and it was on the charger where it was charging. You know, maybe someone tried to call you, but ulikuwa mteja. So you can tell this person, simu yangu ilikuwa kwenye charger. So this word is commonly used. This phrase, simu yangu ilikuwa kwenye charger. This maybe you are busy, maybe no, but just people say simu yangu ilikuwa kwenye charger. There's the excuse they give. My phone was on the charger. Sawa? My phone was on the charger. Sawa? Yeah. Yeah, okay. This some of the common words and phrases that they can be useful to you when you're talking about maybe things to do with telephone conversation. You see? But if you're talking to someone, maybe you you are pleased to hear their voice, you can tell them, nimefurahi kusikia sauti yako. Yeah. Nimefurahi kusikia sauti yako. Nimefurahi kusikia sauti yako. Yeah, this I'm happy, I'm pleased to hear your voice. Nimefurahi kusikia sauti yako. Voice. Yes. Nimefurahi kusikia sauti yako. So sauti is a voice. Sauti. When I had this, when I just wrote these words sauti, I remembered when you're talking to someone and the voice is not very clear, you can say sauti yako iko chini. Sauti yako iko chini. Your voice is low. Sauti yako iko chini. Sauti yako iko chini means your voice is low. You can say iko chini sana. Your voice is very low. Your voice is very low. Is very low. So let me just write here. Yeah, your voice is very low. Sawa. Also, you can say siwezi kukusikia. You know, there is some moments when you're talking to someone and you can't hear the person, so you keep talking to yourself. Hujambo, unaweza kunisikia? Unaweza kunisikia? Siwezi kukusikia. Hello, unaweza, yani, maybe. So you know, it's awkward situation when you're talking to yourself. So just say siwezi kukusikia. I can't hear you. You can say siwezi kukusikia vizuri. I can't hear you properly. Or just siwezi kukusikia. I can't hear you. If you want to ask, can you hear me? Unaweza kunisikia? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear me? I just would like to stop from here because the phrases are a lot. I think we might not finish. We might not finish a day talking about these phrases about telephone conversation. So just this, try to learn them properly, um, read them, and try to use them. You know, you when you learn something, try to use them. Next time you call me, or just call me, hujambo, or just tell me maybe my voice is low. Mwalimu, siwezi kukusikia vizuri. Mwalimu, sauti yako iko chini. Or when you're doing Zoom, yeah, sometimes I have problem maybe with maybe I haven't adjusted my mic. Maybe it's like this that you can't hear me properly. Just say, mwalimu, samahani, samahani, siwezi kukusikia vizuri. Sauti yako iko chini sana. Sawa? So this for today's lesson. Tutakutana katika darasa lingine. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified about any new lesson that I upload on this channel. Sawa? Kwaheri, tutakutana baadaye.